What's up, everybody? J-Dub with the Weed Pimps. May 1st, we're out here in Colorado Springs. We're doing what we do to get the initiative on the ballot, triple the amount of signatures needed. So now all we got to do is show up and vote it into an existence. I'm going to keep coming at you every day until November. So Weed Pimps, cannabis, industry, all of us together, let's rise. Let's let our voice be heard. Until then, I'm going to take a fat rip of the High Pad. That's right, the Weed Pimp Edition High Pad. So here we go. Big rips and big dreams. Colorado Herb, the best on the planet. High Times Cannabis Cup, Freedom Festival, all the events we've been a part of lately. We want to thank all the event coordinators and producers. And check us out, Weed Pimps 2012. Stand for something. Weed Pimps, get to the ballot. Let's make this happen. Peace.